Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. If you're new to my channel, I make educational and informative videos for CA, CS and CMA students. So today's video is very important for CMA students who are sitting for January 2021 exams. So the paper which were about to be, which were scheduled earlier in December 2020 of CMA students will now be held in January 2021. This was an old announcement. All of you know paper were postponed. I'll link the date sheet and the postponement announcement in the description box below if you want to go back and check it. And it has also released the guidelines for center-based online examinations. Let's see what all is in the notification. Do watch the video till the end to understand all the guidelines in simple language, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest. So starting with the procedure of admit card, when you will open the website of ICMAI, you click on the tab of examination. In the left side or on point number 4, you can see admit card. When you click there, a tab will open up like this. Now here you have to select your course and click here, but opt-out is also available now. So if you require to change your choice from center or home to opt-out, center to home, by 30th December 2020, click here. Please be careful before selecting final choice. So if you know, if you want to change your choice, if you want to opt out from center or home based mode, or you want to go from center to home based mode, you can do it till 30th December 2020. You have to click here. So the moment you click on the link which is written click here, another window will open up which will say enter your registration number and enter your date of birth, then login. So then you can opt out. You can change your choice to opt out from both center or home based mode, or you can change from center to home based mode by 30th December 2020. Or if you make a choice that you don't have to make any change, or if you don't have to opt out, you want to sit as it is, whatever the details you have filled as it is, then you can just select your course and download your admit card, and that's it. That is the procedure of how to download the admit card. Now I'll be telling you the instructions for candidates appearing from center-based online examination. This is the December 2020 term examinations, which is to be held from 3rd to 10th January 2021. Starting with the timing. So for first session, the timing is 9 a.m. It will start from 9 a.m. For second session, the exam will start from 1 p.m. and you have to wear your face mask and carry all the important essentials alongside, like pen, pencil, scale, calculator, drinking water and 50 or 100 ml bottle of hand sanitizer and admit card, because borrowing, lending, exchange is strictly prohibited. You should have your admit slip along with your ID card for admission to the examination hall before entering the same, because you will have to show your admit slip as well as your ID card, and it can also be produced on demand by the officer on charge or his authorized representative. You should carry your government issued ID. It could be a voter card, it could be a driving license or passport or Aadhaar or institute ID card along with the admit card for verification by the invigilator. Then you have to check your reporting time mentioned in the admit card and to reach the center as per reporting time only, to avoid any gathering or crowding at the center at the time of entry and to maintain the social distancing and the new normal. So you must be given a reporting time on the admit card. You have to reach there by that time to avoid any overcrowding. You have to log in sharp at 10 a.m. for the first session and 2 p.m. for the second session. That is the login time. You have to log in at 10 a.m. for first session and 2 p.m. for second session, but you have to report at the online examination at 9 a.m. for first session and 1 p.m. for second session, just to avoid the overcrowding and login is again sharp timing on 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. to avoid any time loss due to any problem. For every exam session, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., there will be online question paper of 100 marks. You can scroll any question at any point of time, and the section in each session represents papers as per the syllabus. Now, roll number or registration must not be written anywhere in the digital answer book or uploaded documents. You don't have to write your roll number or your registration number anywhere. New passkey will be shared only on the day of exam by the proctor in the exam center. No passkey will be shared by mail or SMS. As we knew earlier the passkeys were shared by mail or SMSs, but now as you're reaching the center only, this is the center based online examination, so your passkey will be shared by the proctor in the exam center only. Candidates must not mention the name of examination center in the digital answer books. You don't have to mention the name of your examination center. You could either write in English or Hindi. Candidates are not allowed to answer by mixing both the languages. In such case, the digital answer book is liable to be cancelled. You don't have to write English, you have to write English or Hindi. Either you'll write in English, either you'll write in Hindi. You cannot mix both the languages and write that. This is very important. Moving forward with the instructions, now the candidates must not change their allotted seats, otherwise liable to be cancelled. Students are requested to check their email, spam inbox, SMS and website regularly for updates and notifications related to the examinations. Again, this is a part of new normal because all the instructions, guidelines and all the updates the students are sent by email. You should check your spam as well, your SMS, your website, just website of the institute for all the updates. Keep your registration number, date of birth as per exam application, other details handy before getting ready for examination. All candidates must ensure before reaching the online examination that they do not have any symptom or suffering from COVID-19 disease. No candidate shall be permitted to leave until the expiry of 1 hour after login. So you have to sit till the 1 hour completes after you log in. Candidates will not be allowed to carry their mobile phone, smartwatch or other electronic gadgets, books and written materials and bags inside the online examination hall. At any entry point, the candidate shall be subject to the thermal temperature scanning and sanitization of hands. Candidates and other functionaries having body temperature more than normal, they will not be allowed to enter in the exam center and their record will be maintained separately. Moving forward, the instruction says that you have to wear your mask all the time. You can only remove your mask at the time of your personal identification. Otherwise, you'll keep on wearing the mask, face mask. So, and for using the washrooms, you have to take the permission of the invigilators and you have to sanitize your hands properly after you come out. And all the candidates, you're requested to cooperate with the examination functionaries. On completion also, you should move out in an orderly manner to follow all the social distancing and to avoid overcrowding. You should make sure the proper parking of your vehicle at appropriate place, and candidates who have completed their exam will be allowed to exit from 11 a.m. onwards in the first half and 3 p.m. onwards in the second half, as it was written earlier that you have to sit till 1 hour after you logged in. So you can only leave the center after 11 a.m. onwards and for the first half and 3 p.m. onwards for the second half. General instructions must be adhered by the candidate and you have to complete your examination within 3 hours. At the time of examination, you will be strictly under surveillance. So you have to maintain examination rules, regulations. You will be underreported against examination rule violation, and candidate can be debarred from the institute for any unfair means during the examination. There is no negative marking in this examination, quite an advantage. No candidate shall be permitted to submit digital answer script until the expiry of 1 hour after login. Questions will be maintained in both MCQ and descriptive type to judge subject knowledge and analytical skill of the students. And for the descriptive answer, now how will you answer the descriptive part of the question? For MCQ, you'll tick or click on the option that you think is correct. For descriptive, you have to type the answer. You will type the text in the answer. There is no allowance for photo capturing or uploading of text part that you can't do. You have to type all answers for the descriptive questions. Now, any pictorial description, like for chart, graph, diagram, you can draw it on an A4 sheet in black or blue ink, and same can be uploaded with the help of the invigilator. They will help you. For Hindi medium candidates, they have to write on the paper. You can write your answers on the paper, then again it will be uploaded by the invigilator. Log in at the right time. For intermediate student, you have to log in at 10 a.m. sharp you have to ensure that you log in at 10 a.m. itself. For final student, you have to log in at 2 p.m. itself. Keep patience, keep calm, and complete your questions within the time frame, because this is kind of, but if you have done that model exam which were already held by ICMA, I hope they will refer you or they will help you in the examination, and you have the submit button will be activated after 1 hour only, because you can leave the examination hall after 1 hour. Once submitted, no re-login is possible in any condition. Press submit button once you're sure for submission. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found the video informative. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet.